Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Murf AI voice cloning step by step. So if you want to create an AI version of your own voice for YouTube videos, podcasts, tutorials, ads, or business content, Murf AI makes the whole voice cloning process much easier now. First, open Murf AI in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the voice cloning or custom voice feature depending on your account plan. Now start a new voice cloning project and carefully read the voice consent and verification requirements. So Murf AI usually requires permission confirmation before creating cloned voices. Next, record your voice directly inside Murf AI or upload clean audio samples from your computer. Higher quality recordings usually create more accurate voice clones. Try recording in a quiet environment without background noise or echo. Clear recordings help the AI learn your speaking style much more effectively. After uploading the samples, Murf AI will begin analyzing your voice patterns, tone, pronunciation, and speaking rhythm. So this process may take a little time depending on the amount of audio provided. Once everything sounds good, export the cloned voiceover as an MP3 or other supported audio format depending on your plan. You can now use the cloned voice in YouTube videos, podcasts, courses, presentations, audiobooks, or social media content without recording manually every time. One important thing to remember is to use voice cloning responsibly and only clone voices you own or have permission to use. Ethical use is very important with AI voice tools. And that's basically how to use Murf AI voice cloning from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to create realistic AI voiceovers using your own cloned voice much faster and easier.